Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic, motion of a body under gravity, that is a freely falling case. Okay, in this case, so when any body is projected, thrown up to reach the maximum height and to again to reach the earth surface. So one force is exerted on the body, that force is a gravitational force. Okay, the acceleration or the force of attraction of earth on bodies is called force of gravity. The acceleration is produced by the body in a force of gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, it is denoted, the symbol is small letter g. In the absence of air resistance means the forces that are acting opposite to the relative motion of a body which is passes through in air. In the absence of air resistance, all the bodies fall towards the earth surface within same acceleration. The motion of body is falling towards the earth some altitude h less than h is less than, or that is called freely fall. Free fall. In ideal example, one dimensional motion in which the motion of a particle is falling. In this one, the air resistance, some changes in acceleration with altitude is neglected. Next, if a particle or if a body is dropping from some height, in this case initial velocity is equal to 0. In this case, taking initial position as origin, for example, this is the tower. When a person is standing on a top of the floor, a body is dropping. The initial velocity is equal to 0. The acceleration due to gravity is positive as acceleration, while the motion also in downward direction. A is equal to plus g. The height in this one, s is equal to h. S is equal to h, and velocity continuously increases. Okay, these are the parameters. U is equal to 0, A is equal to plus g, S is equal to h, V is equal to v. Okay, these are the parameters. These parameters substituted in kinematic equations. So take first equation, V is equal to U plus AT, that is equal to V is equal to GT. Second, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, that is equal to S is equal to H, H is equal to half gt square. V square is equal to u square plus 2as, that is equal to v square is equal to u square, u value 0, so 2 into gh, 2gh. The fourth equation, the distance traveled in nth second, snth is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, that is equal to u value 0, hnth is equal to g by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, these are the freely falling case equations. In this freely falling, a body is falling or dropping from certain height, that is the initial position. The initial position is 0, u is equal to 0. The acceleration, while the direction of motion always positive in downward direction, a is equal to plus g. Velocity continuously, final velocity continuously increases the body to reach the ground surface. In this, displacement is equal to height of the tower. These four parameters are substituted in the place of kinematic 4 equations. Then find out a new freely falling equations. Okay, next one. Next, if a body is vertically projected, okay, next to discuss, if a body is vertically downward with some uniform velocity, okay, if a body is vertically downward with some initial velocity, this one initial velocity, okay, in this initial velocity u is equal to u, so body is freely falling. The conditions to some initial velocity u is equal to u, v is equal to v, a is equal to plus g, and s is equal to h. Okay, these are 4 parameters substituted in the place of kinematic 4 equations. The first one, v is equal to u plus at, that is equal to v is equal to u plus gt. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square, that is equal to h is equal to ut plus half gt square. Third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, that is equal to v square is equal to u square plus 2gh. Fourth one, snth is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, that is equal to hnth is equal to u plus g by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, these are the 4 equations if your body is vertically downward with some initial velocity u. The parameters u is equal to u, v is equal to v, a is equal to plus g, and s is equal to h. The next one, the next case, if your body is vertically thrown up, Okay, next, if a body projected vertically upwards, so vertically thrown up. So let us consider this is the ball. This ball is vertically thrown up. In this initial velocity u, the acceleration is acting downward, the direction of motion acting upward. A is equal to minus g, and displacement is equal to height. Okay, let us consider a body is thrown up with initial velocity u. Initial velocity u after time taken, okay, to reach maximum height. U is equal to u, A is equal to minus g, S is equal to h. First equation, V is equal to u plus at, then V is equal to u minus gt. Second equation, S is equal to ut plus half at square, that implies h is equal to ut minus half gt square. Okay, next, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, that is equal to v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. The fourth one, s nth is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, that is equal to s nth is equal to the distance traveled nth second. S is equal to h nth is equal to u minus g by 2 into 2n minus 1. This is the first case. Another case is to reach the maximum height. To reach the maximum height, this body to reach the maximum height, then v is equal to 0. The final velocity is equal to 0. In this v is equal to 0, the parameters are u is equal to u, v is equal to 0, a is equal to minus g, s is equal to h, and v is equal to u plus at, that is equal to u is equal to gt, s is equal to ut plus half at square, that is equal to h is equal to ut minus half gt square. Third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, the u square is equal to 2gh. The fourth one, s nth is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, that implies h nth is equal to u minus g by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, these are the equations of if your body projected vertically upwards. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. In this problem, a ball is thrown upwards from the top of a tower 40 meter high with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Find the time taken when it strikes the ground. And this is the tower. The tower height is 40 meter. So top of the tower, the body is vertically thrown up. The velocity u is equal to first initial velocity plus 10 meter per second. The acceleration due to gravity a is equal to minus g, that is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. In this one, to reach the maximum height, the body is falling down. To strike out the ground, the s is equal to minus 40. Then a is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. U is equal to 10 meter per second. Then find out time taken. According to kinematics second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. The minus 40 is equal to 10t plus into minus minus half 10t square, 2 5s. Okay, minus 40 is equal to 10t minus 5t square, written as t square minus 2t minus 8 is equal to 0. Then t square minus 2t minus 8 is equal to 0. T square into 8 minus 8 square, 8t square, then minus 2t. T square minus 4t plus 2t minus 8 is equal to 0. T minus 4 plus 2 common, t minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to 4 comma minus 2. So time always positive, then t is equal to 4 seconds. This is the problem.